Well, it's a lovely morning out on the plot and I'm in the greenhouse where it's even warmer, and I thought I'd sow some courgettes this morning. It's the end of March and it's a great time to start sowing them. You can sow them beginning of April up to mid-April and even into early May, but I like to start them off early in containers and then put them somewhere warm and grow them on. Then I'll actually plant them out as young plants when all danger of frost has passed. So I've got a cell tray here. It's got 6 cells, quite decent size. They do make quite big plants early on, and so I like to have a decent size cell tray to start them off in. 6 is probably fine. You probably don't need any more than 6 plants, just for a family, small family. They do produce a lot of fruit, so just half a dozen plants is probably all you need. And I've got a variety called Alexander, which is from DT Brown, and apparently they produce the fruits quite at the face upwards. So in theory, you'd perhaps be able to spot them a bit easier. It'll be quite interesting to see how they do grow. The seeds are quite large, so they're very easy to handle. What I do is I fill the trays with a multi-purpose compost and bash it down a little bit just to firm the compost, not too firm. I take the seeds and I sow them on their edge, and they just go about a centimetre deep. A couple of centimetres deep, like so. Not too deep. Then I sprinkle a little bit of compost on the top. What I do is just tap it down. I just gently firm it with my fingers, not too firm. What I find is when the seedlings come through, sometimes they still have the seed coat attached to the seedling. So I think if you give it a little bit of firmness on the top, it hopefully will help to release the seed from the seedling as it comes through. Then I give those a good water. I label them. I'm in the greenhouse at the minute, at the end of March. I actually prefer to give them a little bit of heat to get them going, so I'll put them on a windowsill in the house. What I find is as soon as the first one or 2 come through, I will bring them straight out to the greenhouse, because if you leave them inside the house anywhere too warm for too long as they're coming through, even within a day, they'll get very leggy very quickly. They're better off somewhere a little bit cooler but very light as soon as they come through, so they grow a little bit slower, more steadily, and create much more stronger, bushier plants. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this tray now, taking them into the house. So that's sowing courgettes.